This is the new King Cooker oyster char. And I'll tell you what, it really makes a difference. Just like that first cut. And makes it easy just to do the final.
I used to want to be a doctor.
It's like,
That's too much school.
and it is our Christmas celebration, so we're gonna have all kinds of different foods here. It's kind of a seafood theme, so we've got all the Alaska seafood we ordered in, Lingcod, Blackcod, and the Yelloweye Rockfish, the Pacific Red Snapper. We've got our sous vide. We're gonna do 6 prime ribeye and sear those on the Otto Wilde, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So tune in for some more. That's it.
Let's get one in action.
So easy. Oyster juice flying everywhere. So here we are searing the Rappahannocks char grill styled oysters on the shell here. Got the first batch off. It's kind of our Christmas celebration today. We got this and a whole lot more. We got fish and steaks and all kinds of stuff coming up. So here's the broiled blackcod from Alaska.
That's art.
Hey gang, everybody getting a fill over here? Put everybody on the video here.
I think you needed a tartar sauce or maybe a butter or something.
Just a quick video doing the 1 minute per side on these prime ribeyes. Well, and as it was, we actually had too much food. The fish actually filled everybody up. So everybody's kind of full and not eating the beef yet. But this sous vide, Otto Wilde, prime ribeye coming out nice. I got 2 more to do. So we're making the lobster bisque, and starting with the lobster shells here is just kind of a more fancy recipe than I've followed before, where we build this stock up from the beginning. So here's the first steps. All right, we've got the stock all boiled up, simmered it for about 45 minutes. We're gonna strain it right here. This is working pretty good. We're gonna add it to our crock pot, which we've got some of the seafood already started here. And then we're gonna start working on putting the prime rib in the smoker. I'm gonna do 225, it's 5 pounds, probably take, well, definitely 3 hours, but might be 4. And then we've got turkey thighs. We're gonna do a Greek style roast in the pan and then in the oven on that. Show that later. Well, we got the prime rib smoking away here. This is a 5 pounder. A couple hours in. 225 for probably go 4 hours.